So I would like to start at the beginning with Frank Rosenblatt, who was born in 1928, and he was a psychologist out of all possible things that he could have been. And he developed the idea of a perceptron. And you can see here, this was published in 1957. He did his experiments in 1957. Fascinatingly enough, as he came out with this amazing idea of simulating cells that look just like the way that he perceived the human brain working, the whole idea was shot down by computing people, by two very famous people in computing, Minsky and Papert, who declared in 1969 that this is a dumb idea, it's never going to work, and there is no way to actually train a neural network that has more than one or two layers. And on top of that, they said, well, a linear function is never going to be able to approximate or predict anything more than another linear function. And since the world is not linear, the world is much more complex, there's nothing you can do here, so this is completely useless. And this has really discredited the whole idea for a long time, until people started to dare to touch the whole thing again somewhere in the 1980s. And unfortunately, before the success or any kind of increase of popularity started, Frank died in a boating accident in 1971, which is all kind of a tragic start to a very, very dramatic topic since then. So from humble beginnings, a psychologist using an IBM 704 computer to write perceptron mathematics as a computer program simulating behavior of neural networks.